In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule ticket exports in Freshdesk. If you need a reliable way to pull ticket data for reporting, audits, or backups without doing it manually every time, scheduled exports are the perfect solution. We'll walk through where to find the export tool, how to configure exactly what you want, and how to deliver it on a schedule that fits your workflow. Start by opening Freshdesk and heading to Analytics. You'll find the Analytics icon in the left-hand sidebar. This is where Freshdesk centralizes reporting and insights, and it's also where data exports live. Inside Analytics, click the Settings gear and select Data Export. This page is your home base for creating and managing recurring CSV exports. Choose the option to create a new export. You'll see a button labeled New Export. Click that to begin setting up the export job. Next, configure the export details. First, pick your module. Select Tickets if you want details about the tickets themselves, such as subject, requester, or status. Choose Ticket Activities if you need event-level data, like changes or updates made over time. Then apply filters so you only export what matters. You can filter by attributes like status, priority, or group. For example, you might pull only resolved tickets, or everything assigned to a particular support team. Keeping filters focused reduces noise and results in smaller, faster exports. After that, choose the fields to include in the CSV. Common choices are ticket ID, subject, and created date, but you can add any fields that your reporting requires. Selecting only essential fields helps keep files manageable and easier to analyze. Now set the schedule. Pick how often you want the export to run, daily, weekly, or monthly, and then specify the exact time. Consider when your team reviews reports and the time zone your account uses. Scheduling during off-peak hours can be helpful if you expect large files. Decide on the delivery method. You can enter the email addresses of the recipients so the CSV lands right in their inbox. This is great for stakeholders who want scheduled snapshots. If your organization centralizes data, you can alternatively configure an API endpoint or an S3 bucket for automated delivery to your data store. Work with your internal team if you're not sure which option fits your setup. When everything looks good, click Save to activate the schedule. From here on, Freshdesk will generate and deliver the export automatically based on your settings. That's it, your scheduled ticket exports are ready. Keep your filters relevant, review fields periodically, and you'll have clean, timely data with zero manual effort.